Evan. Where's your Evan?
Evan?
Where's your Evan? Is your Evan on you? Is your Evan on you? Is your Evan on you?
I see. It's a lion, and what else you got?
This is the lion. This is that sword.
Are you going to feed it to your dinosaur?
I want dinosaur. Sit my asses.
I'm sorry. You going to say hey to Bryce and Connor? Evan? Hey, Evan. Evan. Can you hear me?
What's in his dog? What's in his dog? I want this. How is that? How is that?
A wolf?
Huh? A wolf? Sit up, Mommy. Sit up.
Good job, Mommy.
What's in his dog? What's in his dog?
You want to sing a song?
Yes, it's a dog.
Here's your microphone right here.
I want my mommy. I want my mommy.
You know any other songs? What about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
A children in the store. How was it all? Up in the sky. Children in the store. Yay!
Good job, Evan. Good job.